Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today is Vlogmas Day 9. I have my dad's Christmas tonight with my sisters and my little nephew, and so I'm gonna bring over a cranberry jello salad, which is my dad's request. I've never made it before, but I'm gonna wing it because I've had one that's really good and I think I can duplicate it. So I'm gonna run into the store and then I'm gonna try to do this, and I will hopefully have a recipe for you guys in this video, and then we'll exchange gifts and have a Christmassy night together, and it'll be so much fun. So I'm back in my kitchen and I have a recipe pulled up online. So I'm gonna put a link to this recipe below. I'm modifying it a little bit. Let me show you what I picked up at the store. So my favorite jello salad is the kind that has some textures in it, so it's not just like jello. And I also like to fold it with some heavy whipping cream. I think that makes it really good. So I got black cherry jello mix, and then I also bought some marshmallows. This is not healthy, by the way. Some apples. I also have walnuts. I have fresh cranberries and craisins. I have never worked with fresh whole cranberries before, so I'm not totally sure how to use these. If they're too difficult, I'm gonna just use the craisins. And then the recipe calls for cream cheese, so I got cream cheese. And then it also calls for crushed pineapple, so I got that. And then to make the heavy whipping cream, I will blend this up. So I will take you guys through the steps, and hopefully it's an easy one. And if it turns out good, you can take it to one of your holiday parties. So right now I'm just boiling a cup of water, then I'll pour the gelatin pack in and I'll let that dissolve, turn the heat off, and I'll add a half a cup of pineapple juice. So my water's boiling. I'm just going to stir in this pack of black cherry jello mix, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off. Once it's fully dissolved, you can kind of feel the granules in there, but once it's fully dissolved, I opened my can of pineapple and poured out a half a cup of pineapple juice into my measuring cup. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour in the pineapple. And then this is gonna go into the fridge for 1 hour. You want it to kind of set, but you don't want it fully set. So it takes about an hour. Just as a little tip, so you don't burn your shelves in your refrigerator, put a hot pad down so you don't put this directly onto the surface. So while that is setting in the refrigerator, I'm going to prep everything else. So I'm going to peel and chop my apples. I'm gonna chop my walnuts, and then I'm gonna figure out what to do about the cranberries. So I'll be back in a second to tell you what I'm doing there. So I did a little research on cranberries. They're way easier than I thought they were. So I'm just rinsing them in a little bit of water, and then you can just cut them up really small for this salad because they are so tart. So that should pair nicely also with the apples and walnuts. We're also going to put the remainder of the, sorry, it's so bright, the remainder of the crushed pineapple in a saucepan. We'll bring this to a boil, then turn it off and let it cool. I'm gonna make some whipped cream so that can be finished. And what I'm doing is just 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and about a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm just gonna blend it on medium-high speed until soft peaks form. I've taken my whipped cream out and just put it in a bowl. I'm gonna cover this and put it in the fridge. Okay, now in this bowl, I'm just gonna put in my softened cream cheese and my cooled pineapple. And then I'm gonna grab the gelatin mixture and throw that in here too and blend it up. This looks so gross, but I'm gonna pour this into a bigger bowl right here. Like that. this back in the fridge for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna fold the whipped cream into it, and then I'll fold all of the toppings into it. It's been another like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna grab that gelatin mixture. It still isn't gonna look like set. And then also grab our whipped cream, and then with a large wooden spoon, I'm gonna fold the whipped cream into the gelatin mixture. Back into the fridge for another 10 minutes. All right, I've added in my walnuts, I'm gonna add in my cranberries, and I'm gonna add in my apple slices. I'm gonna fold this, and it will continue setting as we go over there, and it'll sit in my dad's fridge for about a half hour before we eat, maybe an hour. So it'll set nicely, and then it'll be ready to eat. Okay, and then after a few hours, it will be fully set like this, and you can put it into a really cute, like crystal bowl or something, and the color doesn't look great on camera, but it's like a really pretty pink. We're at my dad's house now, so I'm gonna show you the Christmas tree and the little guy. Adam! Really? Adam! Adam!
Callie, no. Callie, no. No.
Merry Christmas! Got some appetizers. It's not Dad's house if we don't have C's candy. We got some.
Not unless you did the last time. Well, yeah. Because you're just going to continue bad habits.
Hi. Oh, thank you. Give me kisses.
Dad, can I turn the fireplace on? Yes.
3 things so far.
What did you get? Yeah!
Let me get those out of there.
Ball. Yeah! Woo! Good job!
He's all, give me the ball.
Ball. He's like, I don't care about this elephant. Give me the dang ball.
Okay, not a bang ball. Well, there you go.
Mom and Dad have been telling me I can't do this.
This is true. We haven't done anything so that
Wow! Good job!
Although Alicia
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's cornhole.
Oh my gosh, Adam, you got cornhole.
Good job.
Yeah.
He's holding on to grandpa for dear life. He's like, get me down. Got bucked off.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on 5.
I just knocked it
It's gonna fall down.
You got this.
Don't breathe on it.
Oh, yeah, do that.
Correct. Oh, look at it.
Good luck. Godspeed. I'll pray for you right now.
Do I have to put it in that spot?
Yes, you do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I can't put it over here?
No.
No, because
Cheater.
that doesn't go to crisscross.
Crisscross.
Oh my
Wes, what a freaking play, dude.
I know, but this.
Now you have to put it on there.
Put it on the side. Don't let it make babies.
Ooh! It almost fell. Okay.
Bill, I think if you grab that seat.
I didn't do nothing.
I got my dinner first. So it is Sunday now, and we are at home. Brandon's hanging out, watching football. We have the Roomba going, which is why it's probably loud. But we just got done with church. Sorry, I didn't post the first part of this video yesterday. I was just busy. So anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video, and we're just going to relax. We're going to his parents' house tonight for dinner, and we're just gonna chill out. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Love you very much. Bye.